Okay guys, on July 10, 2024, now you can see that this is my plant of sedum carpet. It is also called as the sea urchin sedum or needle stone crop. Botanically, it is called as the Sedum lineare. Now we will try to propagate it from the stem cutting, and now you can see that I have taken my first cutting. Now we will go for one more cutting, and this is our second one. So now you can see that. Okay, one more thing, that we are removing its lower leaves. Why it is so? Because when these leaves get in contact with the soil, they can cause certain fungal rot. Okay, now we have taken our third cutting as well. Now you can see this is our third cutting, and now I will remove its lower leaves. Now you can see it properly. Now let me focus on our stem cuttings. So these are our stem cuttings. You can see properly we have removed all of the lower leaves, and we just have the stem. Okay, so we have to keep these cuttings within the shade so that they will heal out. Okay, on July 14, 2024. Now we have taken our media, and you can see that our media consists of, it is like 50% simple garden soil, 40% sand, and 10% compost. So now we have given the water to our media, and now you can see that our media is of very good drainage. You can see that from the bottom of the pot we are getting water, so it means that the water is just draining down. So here you can see that now our media is okay. Now we can plant our stem cuttings in it. Okay, now we will put our first cutting like this. Okay, these are succulents. If you will just place on the media, they can create certain roots, and then they will definitely survive. They are very hardy. Succulents and especially sedums are very hardy, so that is why these type of plants are called as the stone crop. Okay, so this and this, so we have planted both of our cuttings in this media, and now we have to place these cuttings within the shade so that they will get healed out properly. Okay, now this is my result section, and this is, you can see that we have got our green net. Okay guys, on September 9, 2024, now you can see that we have got a very good progress on the shoot side on both of the cuttings. Now you can see that cutting has grown a lot, and now you can see properly that it has grown certain multiple branches out of the main branch, and this one also has shown some progress. Okay, now we will try to remove this weed, and okay, now we will gently squeeze our pot and we will take it out so that you can see properly that how much growth we have on our root side. So now you can see that this is our root bowl. Okay, so It has grown some roots as well. You can see it properly. Okay, and these sedums are very hardy plants. And one more thing that you must have to avoid overwatering to these succulents. Why it is so? Because they are the desert plants. Their original country or native country is Mexico, and they are like a bit close to the desert environment. So now you can see the second cutting also has grown some roots, and we have to place these cuttings within the media again, because I myself don't have a lot of these plants, so that is why I will save these out. So now you can see this is first and this is second. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can grow the sedum lineare or carpet sedum from these stem cuttings. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.